So today I'm going to be reviewing and testing and also cooking on the Coleman Gladiator series. Let's turn this round. Hyperflame technology, dual burner cooker, hob type thing. A lot of people always ask me what my setup is outside of the van. I think they've seen this cooker a lot of times in my other videos, but I've never really said too much about it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the cooker, talk you through it, a bit of a review first, then I'm going to test it, I'm going to cook some food on it and just show you, yeah, how it turns out. So the first thing I love about this cooker is just how compact it is. Now, it's nice and slimline. It's not like one of those big fat cookers that you can't fit anywhere in your car or van. This is very slim. It's made of a nice sort of lightweight steel. It's not very heavy at all. I think it weighs only 8 kilograms. So you can use the grab handle to obviously carry it out to the woods. If you want to go and do a bit of cooking out there, you can. Yeah, so it's nice and compact. Now, the other thing about it, of course, is it looks pretty good. You wouldn't even know that's a cooker, to be honest, if you didn't see the big Coleman bit and the hob buttons on the front. If you're carrying that in the street, not many people probably know what it is. So yeah, it looks pretty stylish. It's got 4 plastic feet on it as well. So if you want to obviously put it down like this on the floor, it's not so bad. Keeps it nice and level. And then you've got your clip here to unclip it, and that folds out like that. It comes with 2 hot plates. These are your burners. Excuse the state of this, I've been using it for the last few days and I haven't given it a good clean yet, so you have to excuse me on that one. Here we've got the igniter, so that obviously start it up, and then you've got your turn knobs here for your gas when that's on. Now, this cooker itself is normally meant to be used with, I think, the propane canisters is what they recommend. Now, I have set mine up to work with my campingaz bottle. Reason why I've done that is, first thing is just for basically convenience. My hob inside the van runs off the campingaz, and I wanted to just have one bottle for both cookers. I didn't want to be buying propane canisters and all that, so I managed to get a special pipe made up from my local sort of, what are they, like a boatyard sort of place. They do gas stuff and all different bits. Cost me a little bit of money to get done. I probably could have done it myself, nice and, you know, easy, but I thought, as it's gas, get it done professionally. So what I done was take the propane gas connector that comes with the cooker, and they basically modified it to work with this. They put a new like thread on the end, new pipe and stuff like that. I've got quite a long pipe on there, just so I can put this up on my table whilst cooking. So what we'll do now, we'll get it started, and I'm going to start cooking and show you exactly how it comes out. So you can see that's all threaded on there. Now I'm going to connect my thread onto the gas bottle, give that an extra turn with my spanner just so it's on nice and tight. Now I'm going to let some gas out the pipe like that. If I turn the cooker up, now we've got both gas hobs. You can hear that, that's coming up now. Then if I give that a press, you can see the flame. Let me move the hot plate. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's literally like a blowtorch. It's so powerful. So yeah, one thing I love about that is if it's windy, it still cooks nice and easy. Like, it doesn't get blown out by the wind. I've used it outside by the sea, like it's starting to rain now, and it was very windy and it still managed to cook my food no problem. So I'm going to put some cold water in. Let me turn that off. I'm going to put some cold water in a saucepan and then see exactly how long that takes to boil up, so then I can throw a couple of eggs in there and yeah, get cooking. There we go. So now I'm just going to time how long it takes for that to start boiling. In the meantime, I'm going to get my food ready. I'm going to do poached eggs on this. Bit Darren, but hey. Just going to chuck a bit of salt in there ready. Right, so that's 2 minutes and 50 seconds. It's starting to rain now. Let's get this egg in there. Right, now I'm just going to chuck the other egg in there. Right, it's absolutely hammering it down now. Just got to wait 3 minutes for these to cook up. Turn that down a bit. It's going a bit wild in there. Bit of rain never hurt anyone. Right, they're coming out lovely, those eggs. Better get my sourdough ready. Here we go. Let's get a bit of toast on the go. Whoa! Leave that on there for a second. Time is up. So, eggs should be done. Right, that's enough toasted for me. Let's chuck that down there for a sec. Turn the gas off. See, this is what I could do with an awning, to be honest. Cut that avocado up. Give this avocado a little slice up. Yeah, it's coming out alright. Poached eggs and avocado on some toast. Now, I ain't put any butter on that, if you're wondering. I'm not really a massive fan of butter when I'm putting avocado on there. It's got enough fat as it is. So I was going to add a little bit of salt and pepper on that. Look at that. Absolutely perfect. So I'm going to tuck into that now and let you know the results. So I've finished the poached eggs on avocado and toast. Absolutely perfect it was. So what I'm going to do now is show you where I'll store the cooker. Just pack it away. So for those of you that don't know, I've got a Volkswagen Transporter T5, which is a short wheelbase van. I keep it just behind here, in between my driver's seat and the pod. So overall, the Coleman Gladiator is a really good cooker. I've cooked about 10 meals on it now. I've cooked curries, steaks, I've cooked lamb, kebabs, I've put pita breads on it, I've put toast or bread on there to turn it into toast, of course, like I've shown you today. That's what's really handy about it. Them hot plates that it comes with, you can just chuck your breads on there. The other thing I love about it, like I said earlier, is that it's just so compact and you can carry it somewhere else if you want to. If you don't have a camping gas bottle and you go for the propane canisters, that will make it even more, I would say, compact, because the canisters are really small. Obviously the setup I've gone for, having it connected to my camping gas bottle, was purely for convenience, but also that is more economical apparently. The canisters, be aware that if you do go for the propane canisters, apparently they do go a lot quicker and they are more expensive. So that's just a little bit of information for you. I'd like to also say that no eggs were harmed in the making of this video. Timer. Yeah, and if you have any questions, please do leave them below. I'd be more than interested to know what my subscribers are using for a cooker. So please drop me a comment. Let me know what cookers you lot are using. I'd be very interested in that. Also, if you've got the same one as me, let me know your thoughts. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get this cooker from. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. I will see you all again soon. Cheers.